Now going to question 13. Here we're being asked to use data from the table to complete the example. And what's the example? One measure of international tourism is how much money visitors from abroad spend in a country. A student writing a report about tourism in several countries notes that among the countries, most had annual increases in tourism revenue in 2017 and 2018, but that trend wasn't universal. For example, so we're looking for increases in tourism revenue in 2017 and 2018, but the idea that that trend was not universal. So if we look at South Korea, we're seeing a decrease in 2017. So the idea that the trend is not universal means not all the countries had an increase. So South Korea did not have an increase. Japan had a straight increase in 2017 and 2018. Thailand, we're seeing an increase because 57 is greater than 48 and 61 is greater than 57. And Malaysia also increased, although a little more modestly. So South Korea is the one country that didn't join the other three in experiencing an increase in 2017 and 2018. Let's see which answer says that. A. In each year shown, the revenue from tourism by residents of those countries was greater than the revenue from international tourism. Well, here we're only seeing international tourism. So A is just talking about something different. Regular tourism versus international. That's not really the subject here. B. Japan's international tourism revenue was higher in 2016 than 2018. Well, that's just false because in 2016 it was lower, 33.5 compared with 45.3. So that's just wrong. C. South Korea's annual international tourism revenue decreased. Well, that's true, and it also kind of shows that the trend wasn't universal, so we may keep that one. And D. In each year shown, Thailand had higher international tourism income than any of the other countries. That is actually true, but it doesn't really speak to the main point, which is that most of the countries had increases, but the trend wasn't universal. So in that explanation, there would be no reason to say Thailand was the greatest. It would make more sense to say South Korea didn't go with the others because they're all generally increasing except for South Korea. So between C and D, although D is correct according to the data, I think C is better for number 13.